Lights are out. The fans are ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. The Motor City Buick GMC pace truck peels off. It is at the hands of Holly Clark and Longman, bringing the field to green for the Spears Manufacturing Modifieds.
Clark throws it into turn number 1. Longman going to chase after, and they fan out behind.
Look at that, all the way down to the grass and up high by the wall. Who's going to lead lap number 1? It will be Clark.
Got a lot of contenders in this one. A lot of drivers that have shown speed, whether in practice or qualifying. But the one that we always know to watch out for is working on second.
There he goes to the outside, the 5T of Third Kettle. This is his home track. Has titles in different classes here. And looking to secure and clinch his Spears Manufacturing Modified title here tonight. And here comes the number 4 of Andrew Anderson, though. So Anderson's been fast. It seems like the few times we get to watch him, he's been a heavy runner.
A little sideways there for Secor. Just behind him, Jimmy Stallone in the 19. You see Brucker in the 2B. A lot of storylines amongst these drivers. Ones that we've seen working their way through different ranks to get to where they are here tonight. You see Stallone all the way down, just kind of mowing the grass there, looking at the inside of Secord. Stallone with many years of experience here at Irwindale Speedway. Ran some weekly division racing here. And this is all a battle for the 5th spot. They're going to go 3 wide here. Vossen and Secord. Vossen had to get out of the gas. Almost contact there with Secord. And Secord continues to focus on the battle with Stallone. So 7 laps in, and it is a wild one in that area of the racetrack as they stay side by side. And you see Brucker getting by Vossen. And Guevara also getting into that mix. People are just pretending like Vossen's not even there. As the battle for the lead, Travis Thurkettle just seems, I don't know if he's saving it, but it seems like that 5T is almost struggling a little bit, like almost like it's a little tight.
Yeah, it looks like it's pushing a little bit.
For second, you see Clark hasn't really pulled away from this group, but Anderson's like, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, he's going to work the low side on Thurkettle and almost get a little piece of Holly Clark there in the corner just for a split second, enough to keep their spotters busy.
You know, we haven't seen a lot of Anderson this year. He ran the first 2 races with us in the season, and then we haven't seen him since. But for Anderson, you know, he's here. When they show up, it's to win. They want to win the race. And for that number 4, he's not worried about points, not worried about anything else, and he's going to see if he can sneak to the outside of Travis Thurkettle here. It didn't work that time, but maybe crossover.
He's looking. Right there, the 4 of Anderson looking high. He does that late arc, and this is where it's going to play off right here. But what is he going to do into 3? He's going to be on the low side. Hopefully the car sticks.
It is tight. watching this battle.
The grass like we do with the pro lates.
All right, here we go. We are watching as Travis Thurkettle's going to throw it in. It's got to stick, though. It's not going to, and this is going to open it up not only for Holly Clark to retake the lead, but Anderson up to second.
Yeah, that could have been a move where Thurkettle is instantly regretting right now or just having a whole lot of fun.
Anderson's not done. He's coming to the inside of Holly Clark.
3 cars under a blanket for the lead.
And it's a small blanket. Anderson, he's going to be at the line. I think the leader, Thurkettle, dives to the inside. Is this going to work? Even if it doesn't, I love it.
He keeps it low, nice and tight on the low side.
And Holly Clark's going, what just happened?
Thurkettle, though, got loose out of the corner. That made Holly react, and she goes to the low side even further down than she wanted to.
So Anderson not only takes the lead, but is driving away, or trying to right now, open up a couple car lengths between himself and the battle for second.
This could be a night of first. Andrew Anderson looking for his first Spears Modified victory tonight.
Which is also wild to me to say.
Yeah?
Secord, another driver. We haven't seen him, well, we've seen him more than we haven't seen him this year for the modifieds. He hasn't run the full season, taking a couple races off in the middle. But yeah, it's always good to see Eddie Secord, that number 84. Of course, we remember last year his big hit that he had in the season opener out in Havasu. And Steven Brucker, he's going to add his name to this battle right now.
He gets by Secord on the low side and heading to the 10 now if he can get there. The laps are clicking away. 9 laps until our competition caution. Unless 21 laps to go currently, it'll be 20 to go at the line. They're going to cross it. Lap 40. And the yellow is out. And Third Kettle did show a bit of an ace up his sleeve as he closed in on Anderson. Or you could say Anderson finally
lit off.
Let that steam chill a little bit.
Anderson's been in control. Can Third Kettle get the lead here? Has he been saving? Who's been saving the best? We're going to find it all out with 20 laps to go. Green flag. And it might be here into turn number 1. Anderson's going to hold that outside line over Third Kettle.
Here we go, Third Kettle with a run. And who's it gonna be at the line?
Oh, contact out of 4.
Anderson was there, he had the nose there. Third Kettle might get the wrath now.
I mean, here's the deal. If I get the door shut on me, don't be surprised if I shut the door on you.
And again, Anderson, he's not in it for point. He's here to win.
Yeah. Well, how about Jimmy Sloan down to the inside?
And Jimmy's been running the low side this entire race.
So that's his comfort zone.
Yeah.
You guys can go up there, especially right now as they are leaning on each other again. The number 4, Andrew Anderson. Can he get by Travis Third Kettle? That car is hooked up on the outside line, but the door is getting shut. Travis Third Kettle is a professional door shutter. That's what he does for a living. Shuts the door.
Anderson knows now, and he's going to work that bumper.
This. Oh, he is there. Andrew Anderson bringing it to Third Kettle tonight. Can he get to that outside? That's what's going to be critical. Door shut.
Yeah, but that slide, the 5, I thought he was sliding right into the front bumper of the 4.
You're not going to get many more of those if you're Third Kettle, I don't think.
He's got to either run away or the 4 is going to be ready.
Run him away.
Yeah. Sloan though, look and see that 19 working the inside, chopping away at a top 3.
Travis Third Kettle's had an incredible 2023 season. He's won every race so far here this year. Lenny White was in the same boat in the Pro Late Models tonight until tonight, where Trevor Huddleston beat him.
Walk a little bit more. That leash is starting to extend out as Third Kettle looking to get another victory here at Irwindale Speedway and also another victory in the Spears Manufacturing Modifieds. Coming to the line as the white flag waves. Also background, you see the 55 and the 17 to Clark. This is going to be a battle that goes to the checkered flag. Travis Third Kettle leads.
It's been 5 races up to this weekend. Race number 6, it's all the same. 100% winning percentage. Travis Third Kettle does it again in 2023.
And at the line, Clark holds off Guevara and all the others.
Anderson with a little bump, maybe a celebratory bump.
Yeah.
Through turn number 2.
Congrats, these 2 pseudo teammates with the same type of chassis. Third Kettle gets it done here tonight at Irwindale Speedway.
Hard win, dude. Congratulations, buddy.
Boy, I mean, Andrew was something else tonight. He was on a rail and just battled. I mean, it was really fun. I hope we didn't think I did him any wrong, but I had a blast racing him, and that was just hard racing. I mean, Holly got the lead early, and I thought she was hooked up, and we just kept trying and moving around, and I was dead push in the center of this car, but I tried to figure something, make it work, and we're standing right here.
Yeah, I mean, every time we come out here, it's a blast. I'm a little heated right now, but I mean, I'll calm down, and you know, racing with these guys is just a pleasure, and there's just, I wouldn't have it any other way, and I'm sure if I was in the 5T's position, I would have done almost the same exact thing. Can't help but be mad, can't help but congratulate him.
Car tonight, got to thank Dean Kuhn with RBK, K&J Motorsports. They got my car hooked up this weekend. Got a bad draw on the invert, had to start 8th and do it the hard way, but came home in the top 3.
Thank you so much. I mean, that was a tough battle for us. I was so glad to finally get a good battle up front with Travis. You know, we were hoping we would have him, but unfortunately, like, the car was just too loose everywhere. But we had a 4th place car, and I'm pretty happy with that. We're up front, we led laps. Overall, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, we tried and battled. We got a setback in the beginning, but, you know, we worked our way up. It's one of my favorite tracks. We do very good here, and, you know, I want to thank my parents, my girlfriend for coming, Dale for everything he does, all the help. Some racers that I race with, you got Eddie Secord for helping me out, AJ for helping me out, Jeff Longman for helping me out today. Stuff break, but we got it back together, and I mean, we'll be back next time.